Picture a world ruled by giants. A time when the Earth was a vastly different place, teeming with life forms that seem almost mythical to us today. We're talking huge dinosaurs called sauropods with necks so long they could reach the tops of trees. These gentle giants roamed the forests, their massive bodies moving gracefully through the dense vegetation, feeding on the lush greenery that was abundant during this era. Imagine herds of horned dinosaurs called ceratopsians, their footsteps shaking the ground as they walked. These creatures, with their impressive frills and horns, were a sight to behold, moving in large groups across the rugged terrain, always on the lookout for predators. And the air? Filled with the sounds of feathered dinosaurs, their bright colours standing out against the green plants. These feathered creatures, ancestors of modern birds, added a splash of colour and life to the prehistoric skies, their calls echoing through the ancient forests. This was our planet Earth, 100 million years ago, a world so different from today. Yet it laid the foundation for the life we see around us now. It was a time when dinosaurs were everywhere and ruled the land. From the smallest feathered creatures to the largest sauropods, dinosaurs dominated every corner of the Earth, adapting to a variety of habitats and climates. But then, something mysterious happened. They all disappeared. A sudden and catastrophic event that wiped out these magnificent creatures, leaving behind a world forever changed. The only clues we have are fossils like puzzle pieces from the past. These remnants of ancient life are all that remain to tell the story of the dinosaurs' reign and their sudden demise. These fossils tell us that the dinosaurs vanished very quickly. The evidence points to a rapid and dramatic extinction event, one that scientists are still trying to fully understand. It wasn't just the dinosaurs. Many other plants and animals disappeared too. This mass extinction event affected all forms of life, reshaping the Earth's biodiversity in ways that are still being studied today. This big event, called an extinction, changed everything on Earth. The world that emerged after the extinction was a very different place, paving the way for the rise of mammals and eventually humans. Let's explore the story of this great extinction. Join us as we delve into the mysteries of the past, uncovering the secrets of the dinosaurs and the dramatic events that led to their end. 66 million years ago, life on Earth faced a really tough challenge. The planet was teeming with diverse life forms, from the gigantic dinosaurs that roamed the land to the myriad of marine creatures that swam in the oceans. It was a vibrant, thriving world. As the Cretaceous period ended, something disastrous happened that caused many plants and animals to die out. This catastrophic event was sudden and widespread, affecting nearly every corner of the globe. The skies darkened, temperatures plummeted, and ecosystems collapsed. This wasn't a slow process. It happened fast and everywhere. Within a relatively short period, countless species were wiped out. The rapidity and scale of this extinction event were unprecedented in Earth's history. The amazing dinosaurs that had lived for millions of years were gone. These magnificent creatures, which had dominated the land, vanished almost overnight, leaving behind only their fossils as a testament to their existence. And it wasn't just the dinosaurs. Many other forms of life, both on land and in the sea, were also affected. Entire ecosystems were disrupted, and the balance of life on Earth was forever changed. In the oceans, giant sea reptiles like the mosasaurs and plesiosaurs vanished. These formidable predators which had ruled the seas were no more. The marine environment was left in turmoil. The skies became quiet as the pterosaurs, the flying giants, also disappeared. These incredible creatures, which had once soared above the Earth, were lost to history. This event, called the End-Cretaceous extinction, or the KPG extinction event, marked the end of an era. It was triggered by a massive asteroid impact which caused fires, tsunamis, and a nuclear winter effect that drastically altered the climate. The world changed completely, and eventually mammals, like you and me, would become the most common animals. This extinction event paved the way for the rise of mammals, leading to the diverse and complex ecosystems we see today. It was a turning point in the history of life on Earth. In the 1980s, scientists came up with a groundbreaking idea to explain the sudden disappearance of the dinosaurs. They proposed that a giant asteroid, traveling at an incredible speed, crashed into Earth with catastrophic force, leading to the mass extinction event that wiped out these magnificent creatures. The evidence supporting this theory was compelling. Scientists discovered a thin layer of a rare element called iridium in rock layers dating back to the time when the dinosaurs vanished. This iridium layer was a crucial clue, as it is not commonly found on Earth, but is abundant in asteroids. Iridium, being rare on our planet, suggested an extraterrestrial origin. The presence of this element in the geological record pointed to a massive asteroid impact, which would have released an enormous amount of energy, causing widespread devastation. This iridium layer was not just found in one location, but was discovered all over the world. This global distribution indicated that the impact was so powerful that it spread debris and iridium across the entire planet, leaving a lasting mark in the geological record. The final piece of the puzzle was the discovery of the smoking gun, the Chicxulub crater. This massive crater, located in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, provided concrete evidence of the asteroid impact. The Chicxulub crater is an astonishing 180 kilometers wide and was formed approximately 66 million years ago. Its size and age matched perfectly with the timing of the dinosaur extinction event. This alignment of evidence, the iridium layer, the global distribution, and the Chicxulub crater, provided a compelling case for the asteroid impact theory. It explained how such a catastrophic event could have led to the mass extinction that marked the end of the age of dinosaurs. While many scientists believed in the asteroid theory, something else was happening around the same time. Volcanoes were erupting like crazy in what is now India. These eruptions were so powerful that they covered huge areas with lava and spewed out gases and harmful chemicals into the air. The Deccan Traps, a huge volcanic area in India, showed just how massive these eruptions were. The fact that these eruptions happened around the same time as the asteroid impact suggests that Earth got hit twice. The combined effects of the impact and the eruptions would have been devastating for life on Earth. Section 5. Shifting skies and rising tides. Back in the late Cretaceous period, the Earth was already changing. The climate was getting colder, and the sea levels were going up and down. These changes, while not as sudden as an asteroid or volcanoes, could have stressed the environment and made it harder for animals to survive. Some scientists believe that these changes, along with the asteroid and volcanoes, contributed to the extinction. Imagine coastlines always changing and familiar places disappearing underwater. These changes, happening over thousands of years, could have weakened ecosystems, making them less able to cope with sudden disasters. Section 6. A tapestry of catastrophe. The extinction of the dinosaurs wasn't caused by just one thing, but by a combination of factors. The asteroid, the volcanoes, the changing climate, and the shifting sea levels all played a part. It's likely that the dinosaurs were already struggling because of the environmental changes when the asteroid hit, delivering the final blow. This shows us how connected everything on Earth is. Changes in one part of the planet can affect everything else, sometimes with disastrous results. Section 7. Echoes of extinction. The extinction of the dinosaurs reminds us of how powerful nature is and how fragile life can be. It teaches us that even the strongest animals can disappear quickly, but it also shows us that life is resilient. Even though the world changed forever, life found a way to recover. After the dinosaurs were gone, mammals who had been living in their shadow had a chance to thrive. They evolved and diversified, eventually becoming the amazing animals we see today, including us. Section 8. The fragile web. Today we are facing our own problems with extinction. Many plants and animals are disappearing quickly because of habitat loss, climate change, and other things humans are doing. The extinction of the dinosaurs reminds us that all living things are connected and that we need to protect biodiversity. Just like the dinosaurs needed a healthy planet to survive, so do we. The air we breathe, the food we eat, everything depends on a healthy planet. Section 9. What if? The extinction of the dinosaurs is a story that continues to amaze us. It's a story of incredible destruction, but also of survival and new beginnings. It makes us think about the power of nature and our place in it. By studying the past, we can understand the present and learn how to protect the future of life on Earth. What if the asteroid had missed? What if the volcanoes had never erupted? Would dinosaurs still be alive today? We can only imagine, but it reminds us that even small events can change history. Which theory do you find most convincing?